Yeah? You want to be in my video? All right. Hi, guys. Welcome back. This is Henley, my daughter. She wants to be in the video today, so I'm going to let her join us as we review multiplying polynomials. Now, Henley, let me teach you a little bit of something. This is a one-term polynomial, okay? It's only one term, so we call it a monomial. We're going to multiply that guy by these three numbers. What's that number? What's that number? 3. What's that number? 4. Good. What's that number? What's that number? 1. You're not doing the best, kid, but that's okay. I'm so proud of you. All right. So what we have to do is we have to multiply our numbers and add our exponents. See, everyone's learning here today. We're going to multiply the 5x squared by 3x squared. Multiply your numbers. 5 times 3 is 15. Add your exponents. 2 plus 2 is going to give me 4. All right, that one's done. Let's cross everything off as we go. All right, Henley, we got 2 more in here. 5 times 4 is going to give me 20. And then x squared times x. Remember, your exponent here is a 1. So 2 plus 1 is going to give me 3. And then lastly, 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. And then you're just going to keep the exponent, or the variable and the exponent on that one. All right. There's our first one. Henley, how do you think we did? Good? Oh, you want to do another one? All right, sounds good. Now, I might have to move this guy over a little bit because I didn't realize how big I would write, but that's okay. We'll make a new box. Henley, have you seen my black marker? Oh, here it is. Thank you. You want on to this one? Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, let's draw a new box. We're going to be doing number 2 in the box. So when we do the box method, we're going to take one of our binomials and put it across the top. And this is going to be a positive 4. All right. The other binomial is going to go across the side. Now you can switch the places just as long as you keep the 2 terms together. So this is x and negative 1. Now what we're going to do here is multiply row by column, and then we'll put everything together and simplify it at the end. So let me change my colors here. Henley, may I switch? Got this one? Thank you. All right. So here we got x times 7x gives me 7x squared. X times 4 gives me 4x. 7x times negative 1, negative 7x. And then negative 1 times 4 will give me negative 4. We got some like terms in here, all right? The like terms have the same variable and exponent part. These two are like terms. So we're going to put those together. But first, we want to put that guy as our first term because that is our highest exponent. So we have 7x squared. And together, that gives me negative 3x. And then you bring down the negative 4. All done? I think we did. She's pretty heavy. I feel like I'm a little out of breath, but it's okay. Yeah, you like? We're doing good? Any questions so far, Henley? No. No, not yet? Look at future teacher. All right, let's go with our next example. We have 2 terms here. We have 3 terms here. So obviously we need to put our binomial right here. So 3x and negative 2. And then our trinomial, because 3, 1, 2, 3. Trinomial like a triangle, right, Henley? So we're going to put our negative, I'm going to make that a negative 1x squared. Our negative 1x and positive 5. All right, you ready to multiply? We'll start with this guy right here. Henley, go on to that cap for me. Thank you. Negative 1 times 3 gives me negative 3. X squared times x gives me x to the 3rd. Then we have 3 times negative 1, which will give me negative 3. X times x is x squared. Don't eat it. Good girl. I'll put it down. All right. And then we have 3x times 5 is 15x. Next row. Your hair's going a little crazy. Next row, negative 2 times negative 1x squared gives me a positive 2x squared. Negative 1 times negative 2 will give me a positive 2x. And then 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Let's look for our like terms. We'll combine them. So we don't have any like terms to this. So I'm going to list him first, and I'll get out of the way so you can see. And these two are like terms. If I got to put those together, negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1x squared. Then we have these guys. Those are like terms. So we'll put those together. That's going to give me a positive 17x. And then nothing to combine with the negative 10. So there we go. We are simplified now. All right, Henley, how do you think we're doing? Yeah. Good? One more to go. Binomial times binomial. Think we got this? Yeah? I love your enthusiasm. All right, let's try this. I'll put the 2x here, the negative 3 here, and the x and the positive 5. All right, you ready? Last one. 2x times x gives me 2x squared. 2x times 5 gives me 10x. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Let's look for our like terms. I see them right there. Let's rewrite them. Highest exponent first, 2x squared. When I combine those, I'll get a positive 7x. Oh, do you need this cap back? There you go. And then we'll bring over the negative 15. All right. Well, thanks so much for tuning in and letting Henley participate. She doesn't want a nap today, so, and we are not going to let you choke on that. Take care, guys. Thanks so much.